We've had this office for about 5 years. I think this is about the third time we're going to be renovating it. When it comes to ponds, it's almost like a sickness. It's never good enough because we're always striving to be better and better. And what we're going to do is kind of take out all the rocks and do a lot of re-rocking. But on top of that, we're also going to make it a little bit more functional. We're going to be adding some underwater jets, and we're also going to be adding an aerator just to help with the overall circulation and water quality of this water feature. Overall, there's a square look to this pond. We want to create a little bit more lines and curves to really break up the square look. One of my biggest questions I get asked when we're either doing a clean out or a renovation is, well, what are you going to do with my fish during the work? Well, what we do is we actually set this up, and if it's even a longer period of time, we actually install a filtration into this thing to make sure that they stay healthy and that they're living in good water quality. Very similar to rivers and mountains when the snow melts and it rushes down the mountains and clears out all the sediment. Well, what we're doing is mimicking that of nature in our own contained ornamental ponds.
You're actually pretty good at that thing.
This is my first time.
It stuck like 4 times the first time I used it. Like, as soon as it touches the dirt, you're basically, it's over.
I know. I push it. I have traction on the back. Exciting stuff happened at the office today. In addition to all the pond renovations that we got going up front, we got our first of 7 shipping containers getting delivered today. There's some asphalt right here. I'm trying to get it just the right lip on my asphalt, so that way I've got nothing but...
So kind of right up tight to that fence there.
Yep. Yeah, we're right where we want to be. Now we just gotta get it, finagle it that way a little bit.
Yeah. I think we really need to follow that. The whole thing isn't level. The whole thing is all
twisted.
Yeah. I mean, again, it's probably spent, the last 20 years on a ship.
We have all the doors on the side like this. Now what we can do is just load it right here. Worst case scenario, we have to move a pallet or two
to get something right there, and then we can just pull it straight out.
Something that's like tucking against the
Exactly.
side, yeah.
So we've got a pallet jack that we can use to move things around in here, but then we've got that. The idea is that we can just come in, lift this up, load it into the trucks
Right. And after that.
on our way. Nighttime comes, roll this down, lock it up, now we're safely secure.
Another thing that we're gonna do is rework the waterfalls. Right now it's facing towards the end, but we really want to just kind of bring it more towards the street and just to make it look a little bit more natural. I'm getting better, bud. I'm getting better. Better than yesterday. Better than Omar.
I can't wait for that day to happen, bud. Thanks for watching. Be sure to tune in next week as we head back to Omar's job on the big koi pond build as we continue progress out there. Can't wait to see you. If you haven't done so, click subscribe, leave your comments, likes, and shares. Thanks so much.